can travel to any country in the world without knowing anybody. This method, once I tell you drop this video, they are going to come after me. It's rare for most people to travel out because it's hard to travel out. In this video, I'm going to be sharing it to you 2 secret hacks on how to get invitation letter to any country in the world without even having anybody in that country. Most people find it very difficult for them to go to a country because most countries, one of their major requirements is if you want to travel either as a tourist or a visitor, a country just like Brazil or a country just like Romania and other countries, you need to have someone in the country that is either inviting you to the country or giving you a reason to come to the country. That's the only way the consulate or embassy is going to give you a visa. The consulate knows that it's hard to get an invitation letter to the country if you are not related to someone there, but you know there are ways around it. I'm going to show you 2 secret methods. This method, once I tell you drop this video, they are going to come after me. Yes, I know travel agents are going to come after me because this is the way we do it or the way they do it. Most of them don't know anybody there too. Guys, I'm going to be telling you this thing because in this channel I'm trying to teach you guys the tips, the secret on how you can travel without spending a whole lot of money. Before I proceed, I want to thank everybody that has been subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe, and I welcome you to this family. Now let me head right into the video. There are 2 ways whereby you can go to a country whereby even though you don't know anybody there. An invitation letter is a letter being sent from someone in the country with the purpose of inviting you to come over. It makes it seem more personal, like you have a relationship already. That means you are a responsible person. That's why they are inviting you over. Some people do not have anybody over because probably through the living conditions, or it's rare for most people to travel out because it's hard to travel out. It is hard to travel out, that's just the truth, because you have to take money, time, preparation, planning and all that. But there are people out there that have families abroad, and those families can actually invite you over to the country. But when you don't have families abroad, what are you supposed to do? How do you get an invitation letter? The first method is getting an invitation letter by the place of residence. Getting an invitation letter by place of residence means when you are traveling to abroad, one of the core requirements for traveling abroad is to have a place you are staying. That means you must show proof of accommodation. Now, what some people do not understand is that proof of accommodation can also be used as an invitation letter. If you have a part whereby they said invitation letter, show them proof that you are staying in a well-known hotel or a private residence. Now, the hotel or private residence will have the email of the person that or the hotel. It will have the mobile number of the hotel where they can contact the hotel that yes, this person is going to be coming over there. You put that in the section that they said proof of residence. If assuming I also apply to Romania right now and they ask me to bring an invitation letter and I do not know anybody there, I will get my hotel reservation, then I will add it in the section as proof of inviting. I'll add that invitation letter as a proof that yes, I am being invited. Understood? It works. Okay, that's one of the secret hack. You understand, right, guys? Okay, the second one, this one works 100%. It works every time. So what you do is this. Let's assume you want to go to Romania, and one of the core requirements for Romania is have an invitation letter. So what I do is I will go to Google and I will type tour operators in Romania. When I click tour operators in Romania, I'll pick around 3 or 4. Let's say I'll show you as I'm talking to you. I'll put it on the screen. I click this first where I click one website, www.romaniatour.ro. So just end it out. Oh, that's row. Let's say I click it. What I will do is I will go down to the contact page. Most of them drop that either their WhatsApp contact, their email address, or phone number to reach them. So any of them, most times I go through the WhatsApp because they are very prompt in answering their website, their WhatsApp, very prompt, or their email. I click the website and hi, I would like to book a mini tour in Romania, but I don't have anybody over there. I would like an invitation letter, or I can just WhatsApp them that, do you have any tour package for a day in Romania? I would like to come in, but I will require an invitation letter to come to the country. Doesn't just a day or 2 package. That means that person will be a tour guide for you for a day or 2, and the agency will actually send you an invitation letter according to the government format. they will definitely reply you, and yes, they will book a tour package for you and also send you an invitation letter. It doesn't matter which country in the world it is. Use that same method to get an invitation letter, and you can go to any country. You can travel to any country in the world without knowing anybody. You don't need to know anybody to travel out of the country. You get me? But yet you will get an invitation, verified invitation letter. So if you love this video, please click the like button, click the subscribe button, share this video to your friends and family, so you might be helping someone to move abroad. Thank you guys.